Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. I hope you're all well this morning. Thank you for those that joined me a couple of hours early this morning on the extra channel where I've been working in the background and having a chat to a few people and getting ready for some very important charts for you today, recorded last night by Sensei, and I've just been editing this morning. I was up at 5 o'clock this morning to try to bring you this important information. Now, we've got a very, very big day today. I'm meeting with a couple of CEOs, two. There are many more lined up. So there's a lot going on. Plus, I'm talking to a YouTuber who'd like to be on my show as well. A lot of stuff happening today, plus a potential Fisker short squeeze. Here is the information there about Fisker. I've got a video coming out shortly about the chart and what you should do today. I also want to talk to everybody briefly about the new badge system. You will see in the chat you have new badges. I've designed these badges. If you are green with a star, you are brand new and you are new. Green for new, star for new. You're a star. You're a new star of the family. Okay, so if you've got a green star, you're brand new. If you then have a small number with an M underneath it, 1, 2, 3, and 6. That means you're 1, 2, 3, or 6 months old. That's what you are. Once you hit a year, you get a 1, 2, 3, or the trophy. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, or a trophy. So Sensei Crypto is 1 year old. Have we got anybody in here with a 2-year badge this morning? I don't see anybody. We've got a couple of months. We've got a new member, 6 months, 3 months. I don't see anybody with a 2-year badge. Now, if you do get a 2-year badge, once you've been a member for 2 years, and let me just give you the link to become a member if you want that. There are many, many perks and benefits. Mike. Mike has a 2-year badge. Mike will be the very first person then you can join our community. We have a very exclusive community. Though it's to thank the founder members, those who were here at the beginning. Once you have a 2-year badge, you can join that. Okay, we have an exclusive community where there'll be live in-person get-togethers, special exclusive events for the founder members. The reason why I did this is I wanted to make sure that I didn't lose contact with my founder members. All right, as we get bigger, I believe we'll be at 10 million subscribers in the future. In about 7 years, which will make us the biggest financial channel in the world, I believe. I do believe we're going there. The trajectory is going there. So I want to make sure I want to keep connected to the founder members, the members that have been here the longest time. So here is the link to our Twitter X account. Our X account community, and the only people can enter this community are those that have a 2-year badge. So Mike, you have a 2-year badge. Mr. Mankey is brand new. He's within a month. That's what his green badge is for. Wow, I lost mine somewhere. It's because you've still got the history, but you wasn't a member for a few months, so your history's gone back a little bit. But it'll come up again. You might be like one year and 11 months. It might be around the corner. So Mike, if you would send me a request to join the group, you'll be the first person to join. Let me just see. Where does it show? Great idea. So where do I see it? I've not done it before. So community, Mike, you've got the link. So Mike, if you click on the community and request to be a member, I should get a request. Hang on. So what's this here? I'm getting something here. So, member requests. Right, Mike. Now, Mike, I need you to confirm. Salty Biscuit and Poetry, Military Pros. You have to confirm, Mike, is this you? Or just put Mike, just put your just put your X account handle, username, or just confirm. Is that you, Mike? Is that you? I can only approve you if you've got a 2-year badge. Okay. So Mike, Salty Biscuit, and Poetry of Military Bros. I know they don't know, not yet. So Mike, I just need Mike to confirm. Just waiting for Mike to confirm. Is that you, Mike? Won't let me comment. Mike, is this you? No, he won't let you comment because I've not entered you yet. I just need to know, is this you? Is this you? 1421226. Before I let you in, it won't let you comment because I've not brought you in yet. Mike, I just need you to confirm, is this you? Mike, 1421226. In the information, it says, share with me your username. Yes, it is. That's what I need. Okay, brilliant. Approve. There you go. There you go. So there you go. Mike, so now you are in. You are the first member of our community. There should be now 2 members. There you go. 2 members. Now you can communicate. I've done this as a thank you to the members who have been here from the beginning and anyone who gets a 2-year badge. So anyone can become a member, but it will take you 2 years. So it recognizes the founder members. All right, great. Now then, Bitcoin's all-time highs. Yes, we've got a very special video coming out. What do you do with it? Right, what do you do with it? So if you want to keep in touch, we are running all day long on the Extras channel as well. Here is the Extra channel. This way you can see what's going on. We were here this morning, 2 hours earlier, putting together these videos. There's the Extra channel. If you could subscribe to that, it's a backup channel. It's an Extra channel. It's a 24-hour chat. We soon have a 360 very special event about to happen. I'm not going to tell you when. It's just going to start to build up and then happen. You don't want to miss it. You'll be live in the studio with me. Literally reach out and touch things in the studio. It's going to be very, very exciting. So all that's coming up. You don't want to miss that. Right. Bitcoin, FSR. We're looking for a short squeeze this morning. And we are up today, 18%. It's starting to happen. Now then, I'm going to see if I can get out these videos this morning for you. I do want to do it if I can. So you don't want to miss. So what we'll do, it's chart information for this morning. So what I'm going to do is put it out for you. And then you can keep coming backwards and forwards in the show. All right, so we'll premiere, give you the chart information. We did this last week, and it was extremely popular. So we want to do it again today. So I've got a Bitcoin video coming out. I'm just preparing it now. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to just rename this here. Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin all-time high chart technical analysis. So I will premiere this in a minute so you can actually watch this and come back. That way you can get all the information for the trading that I was up this morning at 5 o'clock a.m. to get this done for you. Bitcoin all-time high, chart technical analysis, Martyn Lucas Investor. So let's put the Extra channel in there. There you go. So just finishing this for you now. Didn't quite do it. I guess I need to be up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Anyway, I'm trying to get this done. So Bitcoin, here it is. Is Sensei in the show with me this morning? He put these together for me. He was part of them, and I put them together, but he provided it from Sunday's show. Breaking news, Bitcoin, BTC. 7 million volumes so far. Yeah, we're watching it. We've got information coming out on it in a minute. In a few minutes' time, there's going to be a special video on FSR chart. So you don't want to miss that, okay? Bitcoin. But first, we've got Bitcoin first. BTC. Okay. Okay. This is our first one. So we did this last Monday, and it was extremely popular. People loved the extra content from Sensei, being able to get all the charts you needed for this morning's live show. So it's pretty cool. It was very popular. We was asked to do it again, so that's what we're going to do. And I got up early this morning so I would get it all done, other than publishing it, which is exactly what I'm doing now. And
I always believe it should be part of your portfolio.
Thank you, Sen. There you go. Just got to make a couple of little tweaks before we go, because this is the information that you need this morning. You can't miss this.
And I always believe.
So the first one is Bitcoin. Come on, why don't you let me do it? There you go.
And I always believe it should be part of your portfolio.
Thank you, Sensei. A great job as always. Okay. Maybe Bitcoin video last. It's the longest, at least time sensitive. Up to it's just, yeah, I've already done it now. No, I appreciate what you're saying. I thought I could get more done this morning. I was up at 5, and obviously it just isn't enough. But anyway, I can't do it. I can't do anymore. I really want to serve you guys the best, but I physically can't do anymore. Anyway, we'll get better at it. It's a new thing we've tried to do, and I got all the videos done. I just didn't get to do the publishing. And they want to go out because we've got this short squeeze today. Right, so they're all uploaded. They're all made. They're all done. And now we're going to try and publish them for you. So here we go. What's the time now? So we'll do this. We'll do this at 8 o'clock. That'll give me the chance to get them all done. So the first one is at March 4th, 8 a.m. 15 minutes from now. In fact, I'll do it at 40. I'll do it at 7:50 actually. Go a bit earlier. 7:45. There we go. You need it as quick as possible. Set up a premiere. Okay. Just trying to think, what should I do? Should I send you to the extra show and then you can come back? Yeah, That's what I'll do. I'll send you to the extra show so we can promote that channel and then come straight back here. Does that make sense? So you can just click on the channel. So you've got that for the 360 experience, which is about to happen. Don't want anyone to miss that. Okay. They're all done. There's 7 of them. Right. So the first one is Bitcoin. So I'm going to go over to the main show. I'm going to go over to the main. Okay. I apologize for this morning. I thought I would get it done earlier, but it didn't happen. Okay, so I need a link back to main show. Okay. Back to the main show. So what I want you to do is I'm going to give you these premieres. One's about to start, the information that you need for this morning for the chart analysis. And what I want you to do is watch it. It's only a few minutes. It'll take you to the extra channel automatically. And then you can come straight back. There's a link there, come straight back. But it will give you the chance to subscribe to that channel, because that's where we've got the 24-hour service starting soon. That's where we've got the 360 experience starting soon. And I want everyone to be aware of it. And it's also, if you're not members of the channel, you can chat there as well. Okay? So there's a lot there I'm trying to introduce you to. Okay. Now then, the Bitcoin chart is the first one. It's about to start. So I'm going to give you the link now and show you where we are. All right. It's working. Okay, so here we go. Here is the first one. This is the Bitcoin chart this morning. We've got FSR, short squeeze. You don't want to miss it. BTC chart. Now, okay. Okay, here it comes. It starts. It's just about to start. Don't go. There's no point going there. Oh, is the Bitcoin, is that over 40 minutes? Oh, damn it. I didn't realize that one. Oh, well, I made a mistake there. That was my mistake. Thank you, Sensei, for letting me know. There's the Bitcoin chart then. Okay, that's starting now. You probably won't be able to watch all that, of course. That's my mistake. I apologize. I thought they were the same length. Of course, they're not. I apologize for not being on it this morning as much as I'd like to be, but I'm trying to do this new. I'm trying to bring some new services to you. I apologize for that. Right. Yeah, that's not going to be ideal then. Never mind. Never mind. I'm trying to get all this done before the bell. That should have gone out later. But I'm sure there's going to be people who do want to watch it, so that's fine. Okay, that's now starting now. There's the links. If you want the Bitcoin chart, if you're able to help me out and have that running on to have this and the other show running, that would be really helpful. But there it is. There's the link. Go across there if you want the Bitcoin chart this morning. All right? I apologize for that. Thank you, David Warnes, for your understanding. I'm trying to bring some new stuff to you now before the bell goes in the morning. Now then, where is Fisker then? That's SoundHound. You want Fisker first. These are all 5 minutes long. I overlooked that and I missed it, so I apologize for that. Right, here's the fiscal one. Short squeeze. Whoops. Short squeeze chart. Okay. Oh, well, never mind. Can't do anything about it. You just keep learning. Okay, here's the fiscal one you need. Fiscal chart. Short squeeze this morning. So what we're going to do, we'll premiere this in a couple of minutes. The Bitcoin one will do what the Bitcoin one does now. Didn't quite work out the way I wanted it, but never mind. I need to try and calm down a little bit. I need a cup of tea and take a break. I need to okay, just breathe today. Just breathe. Now, and if you've just turned up, what we're doing is we're bringing you out some extra content this morning. We tried it last week and you really enjoyed it. So Sensei has recorded some charts for me. Potential short squeeze. Yes, potential short squeeze. That's right. And
Leave them down in the comments below or in the live chat. And I'll be happy to answer them. But back to you, Martyn.
Thank you, Sensei. A great job. There you go. So what we're doing, we're bringing you charts this morning you do not want to miss. You don't want to miss them. They're too important to miss. So we recorded them, got them out this morning. So we're putting them together right now. Thank you for those of you that have gone over to the Bitcoin video. That's very kind of you. It's as Sensei's pointed out, it's not as time sensitive as Fisker, which is what I'm doing now. We're watching Fisker and we're trying to show you how we think that it could short squeeze today. Okay. No, I'm not putting as many tags and things in. I just want to get them out. At the end of the day, I want it to benefit you as much as possible. So 8 o'clock is the next one then. So you've got plenty of time before the bell goes. Schedule. This will go at 8 a.m. this morning. 8 a.m. And it will redirect. It will redirect to the extra channel. And then the extra channel will bring you back here. The idea is I'm trying to promote that so you can all find out about the 24-hour chat and support that you can get now. All right? So that is the point of it all. Okay, so here is the next one. This is the one you might want to watch urgently, I would imagine. It is Fisker. Going to give you everything you need to know for this morning's event, whether we're going to get a short squeeze or not. We think we probably will. No one knows for certain, of course, but that's what we think is going to happen. Okay, here it is in 3 minutes' time. Your Fisker information. Need to know now. Thanks, Martyn, for the hard work. Need to go now. Thank you, Sensei, for everything you've done. I really appreciate it. And I know the members and everybody will too. So, yes, I'm sure. Thank you very much for your help. Here is the Fisker. Here is the Fisker chart. It starts in 3 minutes. So you don't need it just yet. Okay, Fisker chart. I'll give you the link. I'll give you the link when it starts. There's no point you going yet. It's only a 5-minute video. I'll give it to you when the timer when the timer starts. Okay. Well, sod it. I'll give it to you anyway. What am I doing? I'll just give it to you, and then you got it when you want it, right? Okay. You don't need to go there just yet. You've got just a minute or so to go. All right. Okay. We'll come back to that in a second when it starts. We'll keep our eye on Fisker this morning. Is it going to short squeeze today? Well, we're soon to find out. Let me give it to my Rumble audience as well. Fisker chart this morning. You might want to pay close attention to this. There could be a short squeeze this morning. We think it's possible. Sensei is going to give you a lot more detail on it. Okay. There is the Fisker chart. I've made sure everyone has got it. Welcome to all my guests this morning on Rumble. And as you can see, the Fisker is going up now, 20% up. There's a very high chance. Let's have a look at the volume right now. You're going to want to watch that chart video. It's gaining speed as well. The volume, let's have a look. The volume already is 8 million. Already. Now, the average volume has jumped up because we've had a huge amount of volume over the week on Friday night. So anyway, that's about to start. You've got just a couple of minutes. I'll let you know when the countdown starts so you won't miss it. Okay. But I strongly suggest you tune into that. I'm going to put it on my socials now as well. This is the event. You've got 2 minutes yet because there's a countdown, so you don't need to go anywhere. There's a big audience already waiting for it. Flipping heck, it's going to be a massive day today, I think. So let me let the world know about this. And I need to go to stock twits, FSR. If everyone gets involved, it will short squeeze. Short squeeze chart live now on YouTube. Okay. Here is my stock twits. If you've not followed me on stock twits, you might want to join my Lucas 8 army. There's the link in the chat. FSR. Fisker. Okay. There we go. There it is. And if I just refresh it. How long have we got before it starts? It's just doing the countdown. There you go. So if you want that now, the link's in the chat or pinned to the top. It's going to be a big one. Thank you, Sensei, for what you've done there. Let me give it to my ex-audience. I always post it twice because I do one with and one without the thumbnail. It's a completely different... the algorithm treats them very differently. That's why I do things like this twice. I often get asked that. Here is my X account if you want to comment on it. I'm now putting it on. You've just got time. You'll have time before I finish. Here is, if you want to join me on Facebook, this is our Facebook page and group. Just put that link in the chat for you. You've got just about a minute to go before it actually starts. The premieres, the countdown's already started. How long have we got? There you go. I'm a bit behind. There we go, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. You might want to jump in now then. At the end of it, it will take you to our extras channel. Go to the extras channel, subscribe to that, because that's where the 24-hour chat is happening and the 360 is about to start. And then come back to the main show. The link's in there. Enjoy that video. It's starting now. I'll see you back in a minute then. You don't want to miss that. Okay? I'll stay live here for you and I'll leave you there for a minute. All right, let's carry on. Let's put it on our Instagram as well. We want to do the best we can to get everybody involved in this morning's Fisker action. What's it going to do? We shall find out shortly. Let's put it here on, if you want my Instagram, it's links. There's links below the chat. Links in the description of the video. It's Martyn Lucas Investor, as you'd expect. Make sure you don't follow a fraud. There's loads of them. Link in profile. There you go. That's now available. Right. This is the one I wanted to get out first. This is the most important one. Wow, it's a big audience. Yeah, a lot of people tuning in for this. We knew it would be busy. It's going to be a big day on Fisker today. I hope you all make a lot of money. This is a once-in-a-lifetime event. It doesn't happen very often. The overall markets are selling off today, so we've got some downward pressure on the overall market. You can see Hood hits 52-week high, $17. My position, this is the S&P 500. But if we come back to Fisker, you can see what's going on. Now then, what else is time sensitive this morning? I'm going to see what else is time sensitive this morning. I need to get out for you quickly. SoundHound probably is as well. So we'll do that. While you're watching that, we've got 20 minutes before the bell goes. Sound. Extra. Good morning, everybody. Hope you're all finding that useful. That's just out now. If you've noticed that we've got new badges, if you are new and you've only been a member for a month, you've got a new badge. If you let the history go, you can always renew it. But if you haven't subscribed for a while, been a member for a while, it does take it away. The idea of this is we now have an exclusive club. It's for the founder members, those that have been a member for the longest time. So if you've got a green badge with a star, it means you are a new member within a month. If you've got a badge with a 1 with an M, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, a small number with an M. And then if you have a badge with a big one, it means you're 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, then the trophy is 4 years. And anything above 2, you can request to be in our exclusive founder members club, where we have get-togethers, one-on-one, we meet up and everything. So it's really kind of cool. That is the point of all of that. And we're preparing our next important chart review this morning. This will probably, I'll put this out at 20 past. Want to catch this before the bell goes as well. Good morning, Don. I was just about to touch 2 years, but I had to switch Google account. Yeah, it's a shame, Craig. I looked at it and thought, that's odd. Why has he got a new badge like that? You'll still have the history. If you go back to it, you'll still have it. It remembers it for a couple of months. So if you can use it, yeah, you will have it. It doesn't go away. And then, of course, you can get access to the Founders Club. It's a very exclusive club. There's only one member at the moment. Bill's got a right to be in there, but he hasn't sent me. He doesn't use X, so it's a special event, a special place that we get together, and there are one-on-one we get together and all sorts. It's really kind of cool. Anyway, hopefully you get that fixed. And all the, it would be a shame not to have you back. Have you there, but I understand the situation. All right, we're preparing. I hope you all enjoyed that. I see it's very busy this morning, yeah, on that video. That's the Fisker video, because we're watching Fisker for a short squeeze today. So what we're doing is, we did this last week and it was very, very popular. So what we're doing is we're sending you, we've created some videos up at 5 o'clock this morning, recording them. Well, I recorded them last night, but then we were doing them this morning for you, so you could catch them before the bell goes. Fisker, we've got FSR, we've got Bitcoin charts, which you can engage with this morning. That's what we're doing. We have another one coming up. I'm just preparing it now. This is SoundHound. Many of you are watching the FSR one. It's only 5 minutes long, but many of you are there right now. Fun, looking like a short squeeze incoming. Well, if you join Sensei on Sundays, you can ask him to make a chart review, and then we can put it out on the Monday, which is what we're doing now. So then, this will go out at 20 past. So the time now is the 4th. 20 past 8. All right. Okay, here's the next one, SoundHound. Trying to get as many of these out for you before the bell goes. Good morning. New badges. Yes, I've upgraded the badges. So we have got an exclusive club now on X. It's a community for founder members. We are growing so quickly. I want to make sure that all my members are appreciated. We're going to have special get-togethers, special events, special parties. Anyone with a badge over 2 years old will be regarded as a founder member. Or a special member, okay? So if you got a green badge with a star, it means you're brand new. If you've got a small number, 1, 2, 3, or 6, that's the months. It's got a little M underneath. And then if you have, if you've got a big 1, it's a year. A big 2, it's 2 years. A big 3, it's 3 years. And then if you've got the 4, you've got a trophy, okay? So that's what it's for, okay? And then once you get a 2-year badge, you can join our exclusive members-only club. Our members are exclusive X account. This is it here. we created this community over on my X account. We've got a community. Here it is. If you look here, it's called, there it is. This is what it looks like. With it, there is, let me refresh that. It's saying there's one member. There's 2 members now. Yeah, there's 2 members, me and Mike. So me and Mike are going to have a party in a pub, just the 2 of us. There should be a few of you joining. You just haven't yet done this. So once you, here is the link for it. You can't join the community until you have a 2-year badge, because there's going to be very, very exclusive special events. I want to make sure that we honor and appreciate all the people that built the channel. So that's what that's all about. Okay, now then, hopefully you all got the information for Fisker this morning. I've just put out a Fisker chart. It's a new feature that we're doing on a Monday. There is the Fisker chart. If you've not yet seen it, we've got another one in a minute. Starts in 7 minutes time. Lloyd, good morning to you. You've got a 2-month badge. Can you see that? A small 2 and an M. GoDB has a 2-month badge. How is your review list? How many left? How many busy lately? You've been busy? Yes. I've got more reviews to do today. I've got Global Star to do. I'm not taking any more reviews at the moment. There was I think 4 done on Friday. But yeah, I'm taking no more reviews at the moment. No super chats, nothing. There are just too many at the moment. Okay. Now then, we've got another event about to start. We're trying to get all these done. We're not going to get them all done, but we're trying to before the bell goes. Our next event that you might want to see is SoundHound. These are very brief 5-minute charts that Sensei's put together. So here is the next one. You've all seen Fisker now. Fisker's in the chat. It's about to disappear. We're taking that away in a second. This is now SoundHound, another big one for our channel. We've done a chart for you, and it's going to premiere in 5 minutes. Okay, I'm going to give you the link in a second. The idea is you can catch this information before the bell goes, so you have everything that you need to make money today. Here is SoundHound. Okay, here it comes. There it is. And it's going to replace the pin at the top. There you go. This is the event. This starts in 5 minutes. You don't need to go yet. I'll give you the countdown. I'm going to give it now to my Rumble audience as well. There's my Rumble audience. You have that. There is the SoundHound review. Okay. I'm going to give it to all my audiences wherever you're watching me. You all have that now. Okay. Sid says, Cider Space will launch today. Todd Bailey, good morning to you. Let me read some of the comments that I've just missed. Hi, Paul Knowles. Hello there, Sid. Hope this will not squeeze too soon, but I take a small position. Morella, why was that? Oh, Cherry. Cherry is here. Martin, this is your review. Oh, look at that. GoDB. Thank you so much. This is your review. You're great. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. That's really kind. All of that will go towards the new project, the 360 project. All the money I get on Super Chats at the moment is going towards the new 360 24-hour stream extra channel at the moment. So thank you for all the Super Chats. I've got new cameras coming and all sorts of stuff. So thank you for all of those that are supporting me in this mission. Thank you so much indeed. Todd Bailey, good morning. Super Chat, that is so kind. Thank you very much indeed. It will put it on the screen in a moment. Thank you. All right, now then, I need to announce the SoundHound chart then to everybody. So this is what we're going to do. Let me show you how I'm doing it. Here is the event. It's in 3 minutes time. So the first thing I'm going to do is put it on my stock twits. If you want stock twits, here it is. This is the X of the stock market. Very, very important to know. I've got a good army over there. Oh, here it comes.
Martyn, this is your review. You're great. Thumbs up.
Thank you. All of that will be going towards my 24-hour stream for the 360. We're on there right now. If you want the extra channel, please do. There's lots of stuff about to happen. This is the extra channel where you can chat to each other in between the reviews and everything else that goes on. So please do join me over there. There it is. I've just given you the chat, the link for it. Okay. Now then, let me finish this because I've only got 2 minutes to go. Sound, stock, SoundHound, chart, technical analysis. Live now on YouTube. Okay. Here is SoundHound. This is another big one. Again, these are only 5-minute videos, so you can jump in, get the technical stuff, and I provide the fundamentals before the bell goes. So that way you have all the information that you need for the day. These are all the stocks that we are covering today, as much as well as others. Okay. There it is. Just put that out. I like to share everything on the screen so you can actually see what I'm doing. So as I'm talking, you can actually see what it is I'm actually doing. Right, so there's SoundHound. Again, if you want to follow me on Stock Twits, there you go. I'm now going to go and put this, because this is important. This is a stock that's moving today on our X account. If you want to follow me on X, there is the link. If you want to comment to any of these, you can. SoundHound. There we go. That should now be there. I think it's about a minute to go. You won't miss it. Okay. Put it on our... oh, thank you, Asylum. Is that Asylum Hunter? Hello, how you doing? I'll put it on our Facebook page and group. If you want to follow me on Facebook, there's the link in the chat. And also Instagram. 10 minutes ago before the bell goes, trying to get you all these links before the bell goes so you can actually use the information. They are extremely time sensitive. Link in profile. On Instagram, it's Martyn Lucas Investor. Make sure you spell it correctly. There are lots of people trying to pretend to be me, to scam people. Really hate it, but there you go. That's how the world is. Let me put that on the group. There's SoundHound. Right. Okay. Hopefully you've got everything you need for this morning. Back to the chart. You can see Fisker starting to move. Okay, SoundHound. Okay, SoundHound is starting. So if you want to go to SoundHound now, it's a 5-minute video. Give you all the information that you need for this morning. There is SoundHound. At the end of the video, it will take you to our extra channel automatically. Then you can cut, and then there's a link back to the main channel. The purpose of that is so you can learn about the extra channel, the 24-hour chat, the 360 that's coming shortly. So if you want to subscribe to that channel, you can. That's open to everyone, and it's just a way to share that link with you. All right. Okay. Buckaroony. Yes. Wow. 9 million Fisker sold already. Just what we needed. Now, all we need now is another 400 million, and we'll all be happy. Buckaroony, yeah, big day. There's SoundHound about to start. Okay, Excellent stuff. Now then, Fisker has just come out. This is now SoundHound. What's next? Is there anything else? Is there anything else I need to put out that is time sensitive? Let's have a quick look. Okay, the video has started. The markets are going down. Fisker's up 18.8%. There is your SoundHound. If everyone would go and everyone would jump into SoundHound right now. Get your information that you need, and I'll see you back in just a second. Okay, there's your next one. Now then, what else do we have that's really time sensitive? Virgin Galactic analysis. Yes, this is another one. So you need this morning. So we're going to put Virgin Galactic out for you as well. Trying to get all this done before the bell goes, or release as much of it as possible. We've got more reviews to do as well. We'll premiere this in 5 minutes. This is the Virgin Galactic chart. Watching Fisker very closely. Hi, Niels. How you doing? Niels has got a 2-month badge. Buckarooni's got a 6-month badge. MSK's got a 1 year. When you get a 2-year badge, you can get access to our very exclusive X community. We're going to do one-on-one meetups and all. Sorry, not one-on-one meetups, group meetups. And there are exclusive benefits. The founder members, anybody with a 2-year badge. I'm doing it because I want to thank all our members that have been there the longest. And when we get 10 million subscribers, which we will in about 7 years, I don't want to forget all my members that helped build the channel. So that's why we're doing it. So everyone now is recognized for all the support you've done on the show, and we'll have exclusive benefits as well. I did that over the weekend. 5 minutes ago, we're still watching Fisker. We're bringing in a Virgin Galactic video now.
Back to you, Martyn.
Just preparing the Virgin Galactic chart for you this morning. Thank you, Sensei, for a fantastic job as always. Okay, this is coming out next. We recorded this over the weekend, and latest numbers. And I was up at 5 o'clock this morning to try to bring you this, and I didn't quite get it all finished. I was up at 5. Maybe I need to get up at 4. But anyway, this is the next one for you. This is Virgin Galactic. Welcome, Concerned American News. How are you this morning? By the way, I got 2 CEO meetings today of publicly traded companies I'm speaking to. I've got also a YouTuber who would like to be on my show. I'm talking to him this morning and setting that up. So a lot going on today on the show. Apple hit with $2 billion fine over Spotify case. Morella, sorry on FSR. What are you sorry about, Paul Knowles? What are you sorry? We got a short squeeze in progress. Your channel is so unique. Feels like I'm at a horse race, jamming in some Beatles while waiting for the action to kick off. Morella, I like it. I like it. All right. Okay. That's quite funny. I like that. I like that way you described it. All right. Okay. So here is our next chart for you. We'll put this out at 8:45, so we'll get into the bell and then we'll put this out. It's a 5-minute video, 5 minutes and 2 seconds, in fact, to give you the information you need this morning for Virgin Galactic. 8:45, that's what we'll do. And it will send you to my extra channel just so you can see it. Subscribe to that, and that's where the 360 is going to be, and the 24-hour chat's going to be. So you don't want to miss that. Okay, the S&P is starting to come up now. Right, that'll do for now. I need to get back to the main position. Here is the extra channel. Thanks for all of you that are tuning in there right now. This is the 24-hour chat that runs at the same time. It runs all day long. It's not just during the main show. Tap the like button and be part of that community. Okay, that's where there's going to be some very exclusive stuff. Okay. Now then, I'm going to give you, we've got 2 minutes to go before the bell goes. I'm now going to give you the next one. This is Virgin Galactic. It will go live in 15 minutes. There it is. This is the Virgin Galactic one, so I'll give you this as we come up to the bell. I'm not going to miss it, don't worry. SPCE chart now. Okay, it's not there yet. We're just about to count down. I'll give you that nearer the time. We're running SoundHound at the moment, but just before the event, I will give that to you. We're about to ring the bell. We've got a lovely super chat message just come in. What a lovely gesture that is. You'll see it on the screen in a moment. Okay, let me bring up the charts a minute for Fisker. Are you ready? Okay, let's count down. I will cover the I will put the Virgin Galactic information out shortly once I've got into the main bell. $30 seconds to go. Right. Oh, my teeth. 10 seconds. Whoops.
For Bill to stay with the family. One
3,
net to another.
2, 1.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are
There we
living
go.
together
Let's
in
go.
seemingly perfect harmony.
Let's
Until
go
one
through
day,
all our
a
positions
young
this
man
morning.
catches fire.
Right, Fisker
This
is moving.
physics.
Let's go. All right, the overall portfolio is down. The S&P, I'm only in the S&P. So you know this is real information. No influencing the stock. No pumping and dumping. I am not Roaring Kitty. My real name is Martyn Lucas. I'm the world piano man. I'm here to entertain, but I'm also here to bring facts and a community around the world. Here we go. So, Virgin Galactic is barcoding and on the way down now. It's up. Oh, there it goes. There's a Virgin Galactic chart coming out in just a few minutes from now. There's a chart in 15 minutes from now. There's a Virgin Galactic video coming out. It's only 5 minutes. Go and check it out. Palantir is down. Gold is up today, getting defensive. The markets are down today, down 0.14. Amazon is now up. Apple, down. I was just told they've got a big fine. I've just heard about that. Next Era Energy is down at the moment. Enphase Energy is up. Down is Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is down. J&J is down. Kenvue is down, pushing up though. Chevron is down. Tesla is going down 198. Rivian is down today. $11 now. It used to be $170. McDonald's is on the way down today. Google is taking a bit of a dump, 2.38. Microsoft going down. Walmart is down but trying to push up. Tilray Brands, rubbish, going down. Robinhood is up today, all-time 52-week high. 52-week high earlier on, about half an hour ago. IonQ going down. Great, but too expensive. Rocket Labs is up 2.86, looking nice indeed. Plug Power is down 0.39. Rumble is up today. Funware is up 25%. Funware is up 25%. Very nice indeed. Faraday up 3.23. Rio Tinto down. Bitcoin all-time highs. All-time highs. We have just put a video out for Bitcoin just some moments ago. You might want to go and check out the Bitcoin video. It's just come out. Charts explaining what is happening with Bitcoin. Matic is up 1% today. XRP up 4.92. FSR, huge amounts of volume already on FSR. It's selling at the moment, but it is up though, 7.79. It was up nearly 23% earlier. We now have volume on Fisker of 17 million shares traded already this morning. Fantastic. 85 is the average. We had a huge 300 million on Friday. It is going down at the moment. We are moving dramatically on Fisker. We have just put out a Fisker review for you this morning. You don't want to miss it. Very important chart information just gone out. There is the chart review this morning. Welcome to the show. My name is Martyn Lucas. I'm the World Piano Man, and it's great to be here. It's my music channel. Go and check out my music and the live concerts every Friday night. Here are the reviews we've just put out for you. We've just put out a few moments ago a full Bitcoin chart. Technical analysis. I was up at 5 o'clock this morning getting this done for you. Also a SoundHound chart. You don't want to miss it. Virgin Galactic is out and Fisker has just premiered. All right, there is the movement this morning. Welcome, 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 everybody. Okay, now then, what we're doing this morning, Mondays, we try to get out all the charts for you of what the action's going to be in the first 2 hours of Monday. They are all premiering right now. If you've missed them, let me give some of them to you on the screen right now so you can see what you just might have missed. You don't want to miss this. Go to the homepage of the channel. Go to the video section. We have just put out a few moments ago. We started off by doing Bitcoin. There is the Bitcoin. We then went into the chart. These are just 5-minute videos. Bitcoin is longer, but Fisker is 7 minutes long. Go and watch that for the chart action. We then just put out, just a few moments ago, SoundHound, and we have Virgin Galactic coming out in just 10 minutes from now, all right? There'll be more coming out as well throughout the morning. Each video will take you to the live stream of our extra channel. This is where we're about to go 360. You can reach out into my studio and touch everything. Some very exciting stuff about to come. So when the video ends, the premiere ends, it goes to this channel. This is going to be 24-hour chat, unrestricted. Anyone can say anything. It's open to everybody. You might want to click subscribe and be part of the extra channel, okay? Behind the scenes, as you can see, that's behind the scenes of me right now. And then the link to come back to the main channel is pinned to the top, just so you can come back. That just introduces you to a new channel that's about to begin. All right, very exciting. All right, okay, now you're back with me here. These are all the premieres. We've got Virgin Galactic in just a few minutes' time. But of course, today, the big news is what Fisker is doing, as well as every other stock that we cover. But a lot of movement with Fisker. Is it going to short squeeze today? Well, it popped up. We've got some profit taking. Let me read some of the comments that I may have missed. In the chat, you'll also see that we have some new badges. If you have a green star, you are new. If you have a small 1M, it's 1 month. A small 2M, it's 2 months. A small 3 or 6M, it's 3 or 6 months. If you have a big 1, 2, 3, or the trophy, you are year members. 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, and a trophy, okay? Now, once you are 2 years, we're regarding you as a founder member because the show's only been going 2.5 years. Once you are a 2-year member, you can join our very exclusive on X, our community. This is our community, okay? This is called Martyn Lucas Investor. You're the best, the founders, okay? The purpose of this is as we grow, we expect to be 10 million subscribers in 7 years, which will make us the biggest financial channel in the world. We do believe that that's going to happen. So we don't want to forget the people that built the channel who were there at the beginning. So if you have a badge over 2 years, you can then join this group, and there'll be get-togethers and special events. Very, very, very exclusive stuff for the founder members. There are 2 members right now, me and Mike. There's about 3 of you that haven't yet entered it, and there's more of you that are only a month away from being able to join that club. Okay, very, very exclusive. All right, Fisker is moving down at the moment. Let me read the comments. Kevin B, FSR, 17 million. Fufu pushing Ed Nevius. Ed Nevius provides 24 hours a day, it seems, pretty much, other than when he actually sleeps, which doesn't seem very much. In our Discord, we do have a very exclusive channel, members, YouTube members only, to Ed Nevis's tips. Here is Discord. There is Discord in the chat. This is what it looks like. Let me give you the link for this. Let me show you the Discord. Ed Nevius's tips comes in here. Scalp trades for you. Very, very, very high risk. Very, very quick trades. You get in and out in seconds and make money. Very, very important. All right. If you want that, it's all on Discord. Does anyone need upgrading? You come into the welcome all. If you don't see all the channels, now then, I am considering. Maybe we should discuss this on a members only video. But I am actually considering, because of the scammers that come into Discord, they cannot access the members only, but they can come into the free, open, the public ones. And they do. They come in and they try to get in and they try to scam people. I'm actually thinking, because we are growing so quickly, of closing down all the public channels and just making it members for YouTube members only. I think it will be a better service, better for the members. Not as good for me, but it's not about me. It's about what's best for the channel. That way we can get rid of all the scammers and all the people that come in to try to manipulate. Anyway, this is my announcement about the 360 Studio, the extras channel. This is my channel. This is my studio behind the scenes. You can access this soon and actually reach out and touch it. Hence the image here I put out. I hope you are becoming a member of the channel. So quite exciting anyway. Right, let's come back to the questions. Fisker is dropping very quickly now. Fisker is going down. Is that a concern? Well, it's profit taking, of course. We've had huge profits this morning. Halt, Ed Nevius. Google down on internal issues. Call to change the CEO. GM, Martin, wonder if you have any comment on Coinbase. Good morning. Good morning, William. No, that is left for Sensei. I know it's a stock, but it's a crypto-based stock, so I would refer you to Sensei Sunday show. Also, I do have videos that I put out today with Bitcoin and other things related to that. Sadu has a fight today, but it is down 4%. FSR, buy, says Eric B. In other words, my portfolio is a bloodbath, Niels. Right, what's happening now? Rocket Lab up a bit. FSR, Rocket Lab doing nicely. Crag, Martin, can you do fun earnings on the 12th if nothing else on the cards? Let me have a look. Crag, it's a member's perk. You are a member. You can request it. You would like funware on... you're saying it's on the 12th. Let me have a quick look about that. Fun. I didn't think it was a 12th. The date's moved if it is the 12th. No, it's the 21st, Where are you getting the 12th from? It says expected the 21st. You're saying it's the 12th. So March the 12th. PHUM, March 12th. Would that be after hours? Probably the other one is after hours question mark. It does say the 21st on Robinhood, but I'll look into that. But yes, I can absolutely cover it for you because you're one of my members, right? Absolutely right. Okay. Funware. Sorry, that's Fisker now. Will ICAD hit $2 a day? Daniel, interesting point. Morning, everyone. Francisco R. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Funware halted. I agree. Kevin B. Martin on X. Did I get verified? Ed Nevius. Ed Nevius. What do you mean verified? Ed Nevius. What is the question? You asked me this and I don't know what you mean about verified. What do you mean, Ed Nevius? Come back to me, Ed. Are you talking about being in the founders exclusive community on X? You need a 2-year badge. You've only been a member for a year and something. You might be about to turn 2 years, but you are one. You have to have a 2-year badge to be part of that very exclusive founders club. You've got a 1-year badge. Is that what you're talking about? Good morning, Carlos. Profit taking on Fisker. Thank you, Martin. You're very welcome. I did the X thing, but cancelled it, feeling invisible. Bill, this is really, really upsetting to me because I have created a special community with you in mind. All right? Bill, you have a 2-year badge. You have a 2-year badge. You are a founder member. You are a 2-year badge. You are a founder member. You can send an invitation to our community. There's only me and Mike in it. You have got a 2-year badge. There is the link. It's on X. It will arrange special meetups and special exclusive benefits, things that nobody else has. It's a founder members club. So don't say that, Bill. It was created. With you in mind because as we're growing, I want to make sure that we keep in close contact with the founder members, which you are. You have a 2-year badge. I did do the X thing, but cancelled it, feeling invisible. Well, you're not invisible. You have your very own exclusive club for anyone who has a 2-year badge, which you do. So anyway, Bill, so please don't say that. It's why I built this. If you send me an invitation, I've got some invitations, but member requests. Zach, but look, I can't accept them yet. Zach Zate, the salty biscuit, and poetry of love. This is only for people with 2 years. Zach Zate has a 6-month badge. He doesn't have a 2-year badge. All right, so there you go. All right, Bill, when you come up there, I will accept your request. All right, but I don't have a request from you. I'm really upset about that. That's why I built this. I built this for the founder members. Right. Good morning, Ray. Good morning. Will you advise buying Tesla in this dip? Well, I've just put out. We've got. Oh, hang on. It's starting now. Here we go. The Virgin Galactic. We got a Tesla chart for you, Ray, coming out this morning. So here is the Virgin Galactic chart analysis for everybody. Let me give it to you. It's premiering now on the channel. It's only 5 minutes long. Here it comes. Here it comes for everybody. All right. And let me pin it to the top. This is going live now. This will give you all the information that you want for Virgin Galactic chart position this morning. Don't miss this. Don't miss this. We've got Ray. We've got the Tesla one coming out for you shortly. Okay, so there is the Virgin Galactic one. It's a 5-minute video. It will take you automatically to the extra channel at the end. This is our 24-hour stream. This is where we're going to be starting the behind the scenes 360, 24-hour chat and all the rest of it. That's over here. And then the link back to the main channel is pinned to the top. You can come straight back. It's a way to introduce you to this channel. Okay, the premiere is starting. 56 seconds to go. Jump on in. Hear everything you need to know about the chart. We've just done it at 5 o'clock this morning. I did this. It's ready to go. Jump on in and then come back to the main show. Okay? All right. There you go. Let me read the comments I have missed. Now watch Fisker. 30% rise. Buckaroony. And Asti Assen, I think it's the 13th. The 13th. Asti. Let me write it down. I am actually meeting with Asti and others, and I'm also meeting 2 CEOs today. So Asti, you've said it's the 13th. Let me check. It's the 13th. Asti, Ascent Solar Technologies. I'm meeting with these people. Expected March 15th. March 15th. You're saying March 13th. Well, I'll write it down in case it's correct. But ASTI, it's not confirmed yet. March 13th. I'll put a question mark next to it. Yes, of course, as a member of my channel, I will cover it for you. Right, here we go. Here's the Virgin Galactic chart analysis running for you now. We've just prepared this for you. Okay, back to Fisker. Earnings, FSR 4.47. Good morning. Thanks for the reviews in on fun. Thanks for the reviews in on fun. Matthew Kelly, you're very welcome. Very, very welcome. Bill, why are you... I don't understand. Bill, it's free to be in our club. It's free. It's there for you as a founder member. It's not costing you anything. And please don't say that you are selling all your stuff. You can't afford to be a member. You've got like 13 drones. You've just bought... I don't know what to say, Bill. I've got a channel specifically for founder members like you. I've created it. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. It was done for your benefit and the founder members. So I don't know what else to do. Are you holding long or have you got a specific exit? MSK. Cobra 747 holding MSK. Yes, okay. The Fed has been talking about altcoin regulation coming. Greedy folks will get wiped out this year. Popper Powell. Look at the volume already on FSR. It's moving again. Good morning, Zach Zate. You sent me a request on X for the exclusive club. I cannot accept you at the moment because you don't have a 2-year badge. It's for 2-year badge people only. All right. So once you have a 2-year badge, I will be able to accept your request. Fufu is flying. Get 'em. Ed Nevius. Hey, Martin, can you cover Ascenti? Yes. Written that down. Holt. Thank you, sir. You're very welcome. Nice catch. To do as well on the road. Thank you, Martin. You're welcome. I might have misread. I appreciate you, Martin. No worries. And that's not possible. 1 bill minimum is more than I get. Bill, it's free to be part of our club. And then there's special events for you. Okay. Bill, you already have a 2-year badge. You can already enter the club for free. You've already achieved it. It doesn't cost any money. Just send a request and I will enter and I will let you in the club. That's all you got to do. Hello, can you look at BKCC for 2 to 3 minutes? Polo. You're not one of our members, I'm afraid, Polo. I have to focus on my members. If you want to be a member, there is the link in the chat, but I have to focus on the members. LLAP up 12%, takeover price at $5. Wonder if you can comment. Is energy indeed the underpinning of the economy? Is energy indeed the underpinning? Energy is very, very important, yes. I wouldn't say underpins the economy, but very, very important, yes. I'm happy to pay Bill's membership for a year. Buckaroony. Buckaroony, that's very kind of you. There's no way we can do it, though. You can't pay somebody else's membership. What you could do, well, you can't even donate a membership because he's already a member. There's nothing you can do. That's very kind of you, but there's nothing you can actually do. If you give the money to me, I can't pay for anyone's membership. It's impossible. You have to access their account. There's nothing you can do. It's very kind of you, though. Sorry, guys, if I missed your question. I'm at work, so tonight we'll go over some stuff on Discord. That's right. Yes, Paul knows it is because he has a 2-year badge. He can change his name and he can change his picture, but he's got a 2-year badge. He's been a member for 2 years. So he is definitely Bill, because only about 4 people have got the 2-year badge. I sent a super chat to cover Bill for a month. Lance, there's no way we can do, there's nothing we can do.
Polo has become a member.
Polo has just become a member. Bill, it doesn't matter if it expires. You've achieved the 2-year status. You are a founder member. Once you're in the group, you'll be in forever. Okay? And it's free. Okay? I can't stay on this point all morning, Bill. I have to move on. But let me tell you, whether you cancel your membership, you are able to join the exclusive founder members club because you've got a 2-year badge. All you've got to do for free is send me a request to join. There's the membership request, Zach Zate, Salty Biscuit, and Military Bros, and you'll be in. I don't see you. I can't focus on this all morning. I'm doing my very best to help you, but you have to help yourself now. It's free. Okay. I also want to contribute to Bill's membership, if that's possible. All I can say to you guys is you would need to message Bill privately through Discord, but he doesn't use Discord now. I don't know what to do. I can't pay for Bill's membership. He won't let me. So you'd have to send Bill, $50 and then he can pay for it. But you'd have to arrange that with Bill. There's nothing I can do. Start a foundation for one stream, and I'm sure Bill has enough for many years. Yeah. Right, I have to focus. I'm getting really confused with what I'm doing this morning. So anyway, we've got a new member. Polo has just come in. Polo has just become a member. Would everybody please welcome Polo into the stream. Now, what we're going to do, because we are so busy right now, we're going to go members only. But if you'd like to watch the show, but you'd like to be able to leave comments, okay, I have to focus on the members, you can. All right, so this is how you do it. We have an extra channel, which is open to everyone. Here is the extra channel. I've just given you the link in the chat. So if you want to comment and talk to people, we have lots of people in there talking and chatting. This is the extra channel. This is open to everyone. You don't have to be a member. You can hear the show, watch the show. You can watch it on 2 channels, 1 channel, doesn't matter. This is behind the scenes, and you can chat. So there's the extra channel in the chat. But I'm going to go members only now because we have to focus on the members. Otherwise, it gets impossible to answer everyone's questions. So I'm focusing on the members, but we have created a special channel where you can talk, engage with everybody, for free. You haven't got to be a member or anything over here on the Extras channel. Okay, so you've asked about BKCC. Okay. BKCC. BlackRock Capital Investments. I'm just going to look at it for a minute. This is not a review. At Polo, as a member now, you get many perks and benefits, including you can book in a full review. You can have cover the earnings. But I can't take any reviews at the moment because I've got too many to catch up on. All right. But here is BlackRock. Let me have a quick look at it. It's positive. It's trending upwards. The earnings is doing well. I'll tell you what I'll do. Robinhood doesn't give me much information. So what I'm going to do is BKCC. I can only do this for a minute. It's not a full review. BKCC. Okay. BlackRock Capital Investment. I'm just going to share this with you in just a moment. All right. The intrinsic value, which is reliable on this stock, is it's undervalued by 46% at 683. So it's undervalued at the moment. Let's have a look. It's got a balance sheet of a revenue that's increasing, but expecting to go sideways for a while. Operating cash flow is up 90% on the most recent range. The balance sheet is 680 million with 300 million assets. So the balance sheet is good. Does it hold any long-term debt? Yes, nearly all debt. Nearly all of its liabilities are debt, but it does have a 618 million balance sheet. The gross margin is 53%. Solvency score, because of that debt, is 25%. So it has a lot of debt, unfortunately, on it. 25% is a low score, but its profitability is 62%. Does it have any short interest? Oh, the upside on Wall Street is 4%. So it doesn't really perform very well. You could do much better with just the S&P. So it's not a good performer. Let's have a look. There's no inside buying, and inside there's no short interest either. So you're pretty safe there. Okay. Does it give a dividend? That's why it's not really growing. Let's have a look. I would imagine it does. Yes, it's all about a dividend investment. 10.87, but you have hardly any growth, but you do have a 10%. On a full review, I could see if the dividend payments are reliable. This is not a full review. This is just a quick look, and I hope that was of some use to you. You're very welcome. All right, Virgin Galactic is taking a beating. Virgin Galactic is doing exactly what we said it would do. Eric Kearney has destroyed the reputation of the investors and our relationship here on our channel, when we have the biggest group of investors in the world for Virgin Galactic. And this is all down to Eric Kearney. I blame him. He's focusing on GameStop and shorting the stock and all of this nonsense. And consequently, the stock is barcoding and now being sold off again today. Very, very bad news. It's a long-term play, though. But right now, the investors are not getting treated very, very well. And that's all down to Eric Kearney. I have to say that. It's the truth. He doesn't like it. That's why we're not really friends anymore, but I don't care. I am more interested in this in the company and getting him replaced because I think he's rubbish. Anyway, there you go. Amazon hit my base case of 180. Niels, I hope it will rise again by Wednesday so I can sell Virgin Galactic. Anyone watching Standard Biotools looks poised to break out. Thanks a lot. You're very welcome. Virgin Galactic to $1 mug. It's so frustrating. This company should be $4 or $5 right now, but unfortunately everyone is dumping it. It's exactly like we said. It's tragic, absolute tragic. This is happening. I can't see a Tesla going to 120 over the next. I can see Tesla going to 120. Right. Well, talking of Tesla, who was it who asked for Tesla earlier? Somebody asked about Tesla. Please come back to me because I have a very, very important chart for you that I will put out for you right now. We've got a chart. I've just done it for you. Sensei's done it. So let me prepare that for you right now. Okay. If you've just tuned in, please click subscribe and ring the bell. Tap the like button as well. Smash the like button. Support the channel. We do have the extra channel as well. Let me give you the links for that. There's the extra. There's Stock Twitch. There's the music. That's how to become a member. There's Discord. And there is the X. And there is the all links. All right. Now then, we've got our next bit of information coming out for you. You asked for Tesla. So let me do that for you now. We've got, that's not sensitive at the moment. We don't need to worry about that one. The Tesla chart, here it is. And we've just done this. We've just literally just done this. So I'm preparing this for you now. So I'm just preparing this one for you now. Tesla. TSLA stock. Tesla chart. Technical analysis. This was just done by Sensei for you. Just this 5 o'clock this morning. Who was it who asked for it? Somebody in the chat asked for it. So I'm doing this for you now. Okay. This is just I'm just preparing this now. Virgin Galactic is absolutely collapsing. Absolutely terrible. Fisker is bouncing around at the moment. Not a great deal to report on it yet. Back to Virgin Galactic. No, the whole markets are struggling this morning. That's what's happening at the moment. Now then, I'm just preparing. Let me send you over here for a minute. SPCE. I'm just getting our Tesla video out that some of you asked. I'm also speaking to Rap today. I'm on the phone to Rap. I'm talking to 2 CEOs today. Plus, I have a YouTuber who I'm interviewing today. So there's a lot going on. My interview today is, in fact, let me see who I'm talking to today. So you might be interested. This is who I'm talking to today at 10 o'clock. So in 55 minutes, I have an interview with. Let me have a look a second. Ray. Yes. Ray. That's right. Ray Costander. How are you? Okay. Instagram. Just bear with me. I want to tell you who I'm talking to today, and I'm just checking my calendar. I'm talking to today. Who am I talking to? Flux Power. I'm talking to the CEO. I'm interviewing Flux Power this morning for you. Just thought I'd let you know. So let me bring you back to here. Flux Power I'm speaking to in 55 minutes time. Video call. And then I've got a YouTuber I'm talking to later. I've got another CEO this afternoon. But Virgin Galactic is collapsing right now. So what I'm doing, I'm just preparing
Me sir, I need to become a member.
Thank you very much indeed, Ray Costander. This is not... I do actually have a full review I can give to you. Just bear with me a second as I'm putting together this thumbnail for Tesla for you. Just bear with me. I'm just doing this now. This will premiere in a minute. I'm literally just doing it for you now. The chart, I did it was 5 o'clock this morning, so just bear with me, and I'll have it for you. Just preparing it now as you're here. You'll have it in a second. I've got a review and a chart analysis this morning, which we've literally just prepared. So I'm just creating the thumbnail. It's that new. It hasn't even been published yet. It was courtesy of Sensei recording the charts for me, and now it's all been put together. Okay. Tesla. Okay, we're watching Virgin Galactic. So Tesla chart. Now I've also got a full technical analysis I give to you as well. Remember, as a member, you can have your own reviews done with a super chat, but I'm not taking any at the moment because there's too many on the list. Just preparing this for you now. Big day today, lots of people to speak to. Okay. I think we'll premiere this one at 1:15. So if anybody wants updated, most recent technical analysis on the chart for Tesla, you can have that. I'm just about to give that to you. Okay. Thank you for your patience. I hope you understand what I'm doing.
And let me know your thoughts. Back to you, Martyn.
Thank you, Sensei. There we go. Put the Tesla link. Watching Virgin Galactic today. It's such a shame. The first thing Virgin Galactic have to do is get rid of Eric Kearney. He's just the wrong person for that company. Great for GameStop, but not so good for Virgin Galactic. But there you go. Relationship between him and the investors now is all-time low. But there you go. Okay, we're just about to premiere this now. Now, what it will do is it will come out, it'll give you the full chart for Tesla, what's going on this morning. It'll then end and take you to the extra channel where we're going to be going live 24 hours a day with all the 360 and everything shortly. And then the links back to the main channel so you can come straight back. That way you can subscribe and you learn about the new channel, okay? That's the point of it. Right, we'll have this go out in the next 4 minutes. It's time sensitive. 9:15, we'll put that out. Okay, Again, like I say, it will take you to the extra channel. Just pop in there, leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe to that, and then there's a link straight back to the main channel. Makes sense? I hope so. All right, that should do it. There's a couple more, but we'll deal with that later. Let me bring it up on the screen for you now. So here we go. I'm going to bring you the Tesla one now. This was requested by one of our new members today. Okay. So here is Tesla. It's a Tesla chart. Now I'm also going to give you the review that you want, a review as well that we've just done. Okay, here we go. Here is the Tesla chart video. It's a 5-minute video. It starts in 3 minutes. You don't need to jump out just yet. I will share on the screen when it does actually premiere. You've got just a couple of minutes to go. I'll tell you when, so don't panic just yet. There it is. I'm going to also give it to my Rumble audience. There is Rumble. How are you all this morning, guys? Lovely to have you with me. Thank you. There you go. And there is the Tesla. Now, I also, while I'm here, I'm going to give you the chart full fundamental analysis, what I have done. Okay, this is Tesla for Sensei. I'll give you my full review, which is like a 40-minute video as well. Martyn Lucas, Tesla, and you'll see my full review here. There it is. That's the full review. That's a 57-minute long video. That's a full review of Tesla. If you want that, I will give you that as well. Okay. That was just out a couple of weeks ago. So there we go. Tesla full review. Okay. That's the benefit of our member who just asked. Okay. So we're all set to go now. That will start in 60 seconds. You've still got 2 minutes before, because it has a countdown first. But let's look back at Virgin Galactic for a minute. My watch list is doing better than my actual portfolio. Fuming, says Niels. Yeah, I mean, we are down today. Look at Virgin Galactic, 162. It can go to 128 now. Fisker is going down as well. That's giving up the ghost at the minute. Virgin Galactic is going back up, and Sadu is sinking deeper. Should you have a quick look at Sadu? SIDU. It's profit taking. We're only a couple of weeks away before the flight, so it's profit taking before everyone buys it back. That's all that's happening there. Sadu's gone down. Yeah. Fisker is down today. It was up 23% today. So people are taking massive amounts of scalp trades off this stock at the moment. No surprise, really. Now then, I wonder if we have time to be able to get out the last one. There's one that isn't as important, but the plug one is. Plug power. Yeah, I'd like to get this one out as well. Right, right, here we go. The Tesla chart is now starting for Sensei. If you want to jump in there, it's a 5-minute video. Leave a comment, leave me your thoughts, and then you can pop straight back. It will take you automatically to the extra channel. And if you go to the extra channel, you can then just bounce back. But the point is, it introduces you to the new channel. Okay, just starting there now. Hang on. Read the comment, please. And Antonia Dela Cruz, read the comments, please. Antonia Dela Cruz, you can actually put a comment in your super chat. So I'm reading it out, but you didn't put anything in it. You said, read the comment, please. Well, what's the comment? Antonia Dela Cruz, am so done with you're so done with Tesla. You're over it, are you? No more. Well, here is the Tesla chart review right now. You can decide. If you put a comment in your super chat, it reads it out, so I don't miss it. Palantir's down because it's not included in the S&P this quarter. It will be soon, though, won't it? I think I have a cold, so I'm diamond hands today, folks, and going back to bed. Ay, ay, ay. So here comes the Virgin Galactic video, just about to start. If you want to join, the Tesla chart, here it is. It's pinned to the top. If you want to go and check this out, please do. I'll let you hear the first couple of seconds. And do come and join me. Here we go. This is what it looks like. Time for another stock chart review with Sensei Crypto. In this video, you're going to get a full technical analysis of Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. And now, on with the video.
Thank you, Martyn. Let's have a look at the technicals for...
So there you go. And now you can see that entire video. All right. So if you want that, that's how that works. Now then, what do we need to do before we get off? Because I've got my appointment at 10 o'clock with Flux Power, and I'm also talking to a YouTuber as well and another CEO this afternoon. Everyone put $100 in alt crypto, says Vincent.
Read the comments, please.
There you go. If you want your comment read out, and if I miss it, that's what you do. So did Bill ever come back? Did Bill ever take his place in the group, in the community group, the founder members? No, he didn't. No, he's not sent an invitation. It's free for him to join. It doesn't cost him any money. It's free. I don't know why. Anyway. There we go. SMCI did join. Do you know? So you now own a piece of it. Niels. Yes, I do. My 100% of my portfolio is the S&P 500. Everyone put $100 in altcoin. All EV stocks are tanking. Is this the YouTuber you're interviewing today? Investing and entrepreneurship. Hang on. Let me check. Investing and yes. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. What we're doing today, we're not actually, I'm not broadcasting or recording it. It's just an introduction. So I want to get to know him, and then he wants to be on my show. Yeah. So yes, Fight Channel, it is. It is. Side of Space, Lizzie sat to launch today. Side of Space to launch today, March the 4th on SpaceX Transporter. Raman, Side of Space today. Thank you for that update. Can you send me the link to that on Discord, Raman, and I can make a video on it? That would be great. Any of our researchers, send that in. Let me just check the Discord group this morning. Have I got anything in links for YouTube? No. Breakfast bar. Breakfast bar's very busy this morning. MSK, I'm loving Conan the Barbarian. Loving it. Very, very good. All right. So if you want to send that link in about Side of Space, I will do it. Fun rising nicely. Thank you, Matthew Kelly. Bill said he deleted everything. Bill does this from time to time. I don't know. Yeah. As Raman said, the Sidhu launch is today. Well, we want to cover that. So send me the link in for that, and I'll make a video on it. MSK, they have 6 offering, but out till the 5th. It's rubbish. It cannot pass 6. SMFH. All right, now then, we're going to end the show shortly. I've got to get ready for my interview with Flux Power at 10 o'clock, and then investment and entrepreneurship at 11 a.m. plus another CEO this afternoon. You can see the overall portfolio is down. Virgin Galactic is still falling down to 4% today. No surprise. FSR still hasn't rebounded yet. Lizzie Sat is targeted for a launch today window. That's to March the 4th. That's Pacific. Is that Pacific Daylight Time? Which will be about 4 p.m. Central Time, where I am. So I can cover that live if I've got the information. Anyway. Do not buy Sidhu over 6, said Vincent Vosberg. Martin, watch Sidhu Web. Martin, watch Sidhu Web. Raman, just give me the link on Discord. That's the easiest way to do it. I've got to end the show in a second. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. I've got more reviews to do. We are Sidhu. And we are not selling. Website Sidhu. Yeah, but you don't understand. I can't. If people want things shared on the show, you send them the link on Discord. I can't be searching for everybody's request, typing in YouTube. I'm running a show. I can't do everybody's personal requests. If you send me the link, that's what Discord's for. I can then bring it up, make a video on it, cover it, whatever. It's very difficult for me to run everything, talk to everyone, and search everybody's websites. I mean, flipping out, what am I, a quantum computer? I'm one person. So if you want stuff on the show, you don't have Discord. Well, it's free. It's part of your membership perks. That's why it exists, all right? I can't change what I do because you don't have Discord. That's like you saying, I can't get to work because I don't have a car. Can you pick me up and drive me to work? Well, no, it's your job. You get to work. I can't come and just drive to your house and pick you up because you haven't bought a car. All right? It's the same thing. All right? My wife says something like, a lack of preparation on your part doesn't constitute an emergency on mine. Right? It's something like that. Can someone please send that to Martin? Yeah. Raman, you've got access to Discord. Why don't you use it? It's part of being a member. There are many, many perks of being a member. Anyway, that's one of them. There's the link. Virgin Galactic is still falling. Dear, oh dear. Palantir starting to go up now. Gold's going up. The S&P is still down. Amazon's up today. Apple's being hit today hard. It's got a big fine. Look at it, it's down 4%. Oh, 6% now. 6% over the last 3 months. Yeah, Apple's 6% over the last year, but 13% over the last 12 months though. Are both CEO meetups going to be broadcast today? No, they are interviews. I'm just getting to know them. So what I'm doing now, people that want to be on the show, YouTubers, CEOs, I've got loads. I mean, literally loads. I can't fit everyone in. What I'm doing is I'm doing a 5-minute meet and greet. It's a 5-minute get to know them. What is it they want to do? What do they want to talk about? Get to know them a little bit, have a little social chat, and then arrange the actual interview. That way they can understand how the technology works, see how it all works, and we can promote it properly. And that's basically what we're doing. All right. Anyway. For me, it's not necessary. I thought I'd just say that for that. Well, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Thank you very much for doing it. I just can't I just can't bring up links for people independently, yet you send them in. Fun halted again. Let's go to the moon institutions. Can't sell until the 10th, so I suspect this will run all week. Funware. We are looking at Funware this morning. We got some movement for Fun, F-H-U-N. Funware, up today. Oh! Funware, up 125%. LizzieSat isn't the one that's Hasti has panels on. I thought that was in the summer. LizzieSat isn't the one Hasti has panels on. I thought that was in the summer. Yarneals, links for YouTube. We have a link. What is it you want to share? Right. Got it. Thank you. I'll make this quickly before we go then. Great. Thank you very much indeed for that. I put the link offering this to do in Discord. Yeah, thank you. Here we go. Sidhu. So here we go. The time is 1:56. There we go. 1:56. Sidhu. Okay, here we go. Martyn Lucas, SIDU. I think I've done a full analysis on it, I think. Yes, I have. There we go. I thought so. Right. I'll leave that there. Okay, got it. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, Cyberspace, ticker symbol SIDU. The stock is down massive today. Why? Well, this could be the drop before the pump because of this news. We've got a launch today in just 6 hours. It's counting down, as you can see there. It's counting down. The launch is on Transporter 10, Falcon 9, SpaceX. We're going to, if we get 100 likes to this video and lots of comments, I will cover the event tonight. It will be 4 p.m. Central Time. This is a huge thing to cover for Cyberspace. So it looks to me like it's selling off before the pump. This is Cyberspace. They are launching their satellite today on board SpaceX. You don't want to miss this. So what's going on? Let me share with you a couple of bits of information. First of all, I've done a full analysis on this stock. So you've got a bit of time to catch the full analysis. I will give you the link for it below in the description and above my head in a few moments' time. But there is the full analysis for cyberspace. You don't want to miss that. Very, very important to go and check that out, and other information there. I expect this is a bit like we saw the other day when we landed on the moon. Intuitive Machines. We had the rally, the drop, the pump, the drop, all the rest of it. Very, very volatile, as you can see today. There's no reason why this would be down today. It's going on board SpaceX today. This is great. It's an opportunity. Anywhere around about the $4 is a good time to buy it anyway. We're slightly up from there, but if this is successful, of course, we can go back up again. We've seen some real highs on this stock. If I share with you the action we've recently experienced, we had that big pump up there to $17 on the information about the flight. And then we've been going down sideways. We popped a little bit when we confirmed the flight a couple of days ago. Now back down again. So I would expect we could get this sort of movement again. Let's have a look at the volume today. The volume is hardly any volume at all today, 363, but the volume in the wrong direction at the moment. So this could be a very interesting stock this afternoon. As I say, if we do get 100 likes, I will cover this. That means enough people would love me to cover it. So let's have a look at it. Let's have a look, first of all, at the action, the order book. Look at that. It appears that people are loading up orders, but again, you cannot use that as a fact. If it was a fact, everybody would know what was going to happen, right? And the stock would just be obvious. But it does look like the stock is going to bounce. Let's look at the RSI as well. See how busy it is. Yes, it is undersold right at the bottom of the screen. I'll just take away that ticker there. You can see it is actually oversold. I beg your pardon. It's oversold at the moment. So that would indicate that we've got a good move in the positive direction coming up shortly. So anyway, there you go. Cyberspace launching tonight on SpaceX. If we get enough comments and likes, I will cover it live. Click above my head for all the links. Down below in the description, I'll put all the links to all the analysis and the live event as well. If we get likes when this video comes out, I'll also put the event up there if we do get this. If we do get 100 likes, this video is being made during a live video, so that's why I'm talking like this. It will go out shortly, and once it premieres and goes out, if it gets that interest, then I'll cover the flight tonight, and it'll be very exciting. All on board SpaceX. What do you think? Cyberspace. Very exciting day. Good luck to them. Good luck to SpaceX and everybody involved in either company. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. I will put that out. Funware. That's pumping up today as well. Fun. I should just put this in. Just a very, very quick announcement. Nothing special. Did I get any links from YouTube? Links for YouTube about Funware? No. Okay. If I get any links for Funware, I can include it. But there's nothing there, so I'll just mention this. Clear that screen down. Two hours. Fun, and then we'll come back to FSR as well. Crag, have you got anything about Funware today? If you do, I'll include it. Fisker, yeah, look at Fisker gaining momentum now in the wrong direction. The volume's going up in the wrong direction, but the volume is good though. Crag, do you have anything on Funware? I don't have anything at the moment, so I'll just cover it. We've done a full analysis on it anyway, so I can point everyone to that. Let's bring that up. Martyn Lucas Fun, Phun. Yes, I thought I had Funware. All right. Nothing on news. This is just because of because Super Tuesday is tomorrow. What does Super Tuesday mean? What's you just make that up? What's Super Tuesday? Anyway. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas. Phunware, Phun. Big movement today, up 99%, was up a bit more. What's going on? Well, we're trying to find out, but I want to put this information to you just as it's happened. So Phunware, I've just done a full review on the stock, fundamentals, the whole works. You might want to go and check it out. This is just done a couple of weeks ago. It's quite current. But go and check that out. The full balance sheet, the inside trading, who's buying, who's selling, the whole thing is in that review just there. But as you can see, Phunware is up 99% today. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. I'll also put it over here if you're interested in Phunware. But a lot of movement on Phunware at the moment. Of course, this has a lot to do with Donald Trump and the elections, and all of that is coming up this year. We've got the election, of course, in November, and we've got Donald Trump probably going to win. So a lot of related stocks are going to do well. This one, we've got DWAC. I've just got one of our members here who does actually invest in Phunware. It's Crag. It's a big election day when the victor is likely to be declared of the primary elections in the USA. There we go. That's what I said. A lot of relationship here to do with Donald Trump. Thank you, Crag, for sending that in. Appreciate it. So above my head, down below in the description, over here, a lot of information around Phunware today. Go and check it out. It's a stock that's moving up 99%. It was a lot higher earlier. It's just dropped a little bit. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. My interview is in a minute. I've got to end this now then. So, Fisker. Is Fisker going the way we wanted it? The S&P is starting to come up now. I haven't got time now to do anything else. I've got CEO interviews this afternoon, a YouTuber interview this morning. I've got a CEO interview in 20 minutes time. So I've got a lot to do today. So I've got to end the show right there. So what I'm going to do now is we'll do day trader of the day. We haven't done that for a while. Are you ready? Day trader of the day. Who's up? Who's down? Are you ready? Shall we do it? Who's made the most money? Let's do it. Day trader of the day. We haven't done this for a while.
The year is 1991.
Put your score in the show.
In seemingly perfect harmony, until one day a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
Are you up? Are you down? Okay. Now what I'm going to do now is we're going to keep the 24-hour chat going. 24-hour chat extra. This video will go directly to there. There you go. That's where we're going to go. I'll give it to my Rumble audience as well. Okay, there is the extra show if you want to join me. I'll give it to, make sure I've got everybody there. Put your scores in. Let's see who's up, let's see who's down. This video will automatically take you into 24-hour chat. And it'll be live for a short while, but
Get ready for verse 2, Electric Boogaloo.
Anyway, I might have to end it when I do my interview. Because it's I might keep it going. I might keep it going. All right, so down. I'm down today, 0.04. Come on, Shib, up on one stock. So we can include that. Thanks Tesla, down 3.1. Up 6.8. Joel is down 4%. Down 1.67. Down 1.51. So the winner is MSK today. MSK is the winner. Nice one, MSK. Congratulations. Thank you for your honest trades. Give them a thumbs up. Has everyone tapped the like button of the show? All right, it's time for me to go now. I might keep the behind the scenes going so you can actually see me have a conversation with my guest from Flux Power. All right, so I might keep that going. I will ask him if he doesn't mind being on camera. It won't be on camera, but it will be just behind the scenes. All right, so maybe I'll do that. If you want to get a behind the scenes of that, you might enjoy that. Okay, there we go. That's it from me. I'm out of here. The portfolio is about to turn green. This video, this live event now will take you through straight to the behind the scenes. You never know, you might catch a special behind the scenes private conversation with Flux Power. All right, so very, very exciting stuff indeed. All right, so join me there for that now. I'll see you back for the closing bell this afternoon. Lots of stuff coming out to do there. I've got 2 CEO interviews today, a YouTuber, more breaking news. I'll be back if I get a lot of views. I'll be back for the side of space. But now join me on the extras channel. You might just be in the room when I have a private conversation with Flux Power. Until then, as always, stay right where you are. It'll take you straight there. Take care of yourselves and each other.